Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I'm about to teach on Your Teachable Moment, my first time teaching on the platform. I took one class before, but the platform's improved since then. So I want to make this quick tutorial video to show you where you can click to get into the classroom. I'm going to be showing you from the perspective of the teacher, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty similar from the perspective of the student. Let's go. All right, here we are on the Your Teachable Moments dashboard. We click on My Dashboard. Here I will scroll down. If you are a student, you click on Enrolled Courses. If you are a teacher, you click on My Courses. Okay, I'm clicking on My Courses. Over here on the, here I'm going to click on the class by clicking on the green letters. And on the right hand side, this green button, click Continue to Lesson. Okay, here we're going to click over here to Live Classroom. And here we're going to click Enter the Live Classroom. Okay, as a teacher, I'm going to switch accounts to Your Teachable Moments. And I'm going to click Join Now. Okay, and here we are in the classroom. And here we have our students arriving.